So, today in the old Spinny Woosh studio here, working on a Saturday. I had a last minute order for some, NA Miata door cards here. And they're looking to have them wrapped with some carbon fiber vinyl wrap. Yeah. So this is actually some really nice material that was printed vinyl on metallic silver vinyl. So it has a really nice metallic finish, imitating carbon fiber. I'm going to be wrapping on some LRB speed aluminum door panels here. Has speaker hole and crank window options. And yeah, it's been a while since I've done a carbon fiber wrap on one of these. It's kind of a pain in the butt material to work with, but with a wet install, it goes along pretty nicely. So, I figured today I'll just pop on the camera and make a short little video on how to wrap just about anything, I suppose, using this material. So this is still wrap vinyl. Like, it has the rapid air release perforations on the back, but it is a much more sticky material than some of the Avery vinyl that I like to use. Let's see. Yeah. So, I'm going to go ahead and spray it. Get it nice and wet for that. And wait. So I do want to provide more material towards the top, as I will be wrapping it over those bends. So, with the normal door card graphics that I offer on my site, I do offer them cut to fit the door panel that you order. This one, however, since it's not printed in-house, it just comes on a massive roll. I do not, so I kind of just make it as a sheet and then trim the rest. But well, honestly, it's just about as easy. You kind of just trim around the outsides, but it's always nice to have that cut to fit vinyl, so one less step to have to worry about, really. But yeah, it's going along pretty nice. Just squeegees out the water that's underneath. And yeah, like I said, I've tried using this dry in the past, and it's very, very high tack, and I've messed up quite a bit using it, which is unfortunate because this is not the cheapest material to work with. I purchased a roll of, but yeah, just a splash of water though makes it real nice. Yes, this is going along very, very well. Alright, I think before I wrap around the sides there, I will go ahead and do my trim. Have a nice sharp blade for my cut-off blade. Let's just go around there. A little closer of a cut here. So, I did mention this was kind of a last-minute order. Not so much last minute, more so I happen to have a set in stock. Occasionally, I do have some spare LRB speed door panels in stock, so you can kind of get around that 3-week wait time for these. But it's really only certain panels. So like, I sell a lot of Miata panels as well as 350Z panels. I'll usually have a few in stock. I know the NAs I've got, that won't really matter depending on when you're watching this video, but currently, for example, I have about 4 sets of power cards and power window provision cards. And only one set of these crank, so I was happy that I was able to provide these, and they are local enough that they're going to come and pick them up tomorrow, which is why I'm here on a Saturday doing these. I figured, why not? I don't have too much to do today, a few projects on the car, but other than that, like doing these panels. It's not a terrible way to spend a day off, to be honest. Get a nice close trim there. Sweet. So the reason why I do that is so I'm not bending the vinyl upwards when I pick this up. So go ahead around the top, pull it nice and tight. I will say the NA panels for Miatas are some of the easier ones to do, just because of their smaller size. Some of the larger panels, for example 350Zs, are a little more complicated. It's just, the bigger they are, the more room there is for error, like the vinyl can fold over on itself, and oh, I've had all that fun stuff happen. Learned over the years, but yeah. Start wrap it over the backside. I kind of just put one pinky down and just run that sucker. So you have one little wrinkle there. Trim that there. But yeah, very nice, very nice, very nice. So there's also little slits on the back of these NA panels that you will reattach your weather stripping, your stock weather stripping, which will take off your padded upper armrest area on your stock cards. There's little tabs on the back there that you kind of take that off of, but yeah. I think I'm just going to title these videos "Listen to Scotty Ramble" as he wraps these vinyl, but yeah, if you dig it, you dig it. Ooh, a little water on that. Awesome. So that is set. We'll pan the butt part. This goes around, the little triangular corner window in the NA. That post there. There's a provision on the side of this for that. Alright. Got that all set. Do a quick trim of the back. Ta-da! Clean cut. Sick. Ah yes, as I was telling you, there's these little slits on the back here. Just before I flip them over, I'll go ahead and poke those out. Yeah, you just run your finger along here and feel out where they are. Perfect. Alright, cut out the door handle hole. And this bigger hole. That was close. So that is it. A nice carbon wrapped NA Miata door panel. I do offer these door panels from LRB Speed for quite a few different makes and models. Generally JDM cars, as well as more and more a growing selection of American models. But yeah, I think this is a really slick looking graphic to go on here. I have to send this picture to the customer coming to grab these. Oh, I did miss one hole. But yeah. If there's something else that you would like to see wrapped, let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. So, until next time.